Managing RFPs, RFIs, and security questionnaires can be time consuming and chaotic, especially when dealing with tight deadlines, multiple contributors, and scattered content. That's where responsive, formerly RFPIO, comes in. Responsive is a leading RFP response management platform built to streamline the entire proposal process. It enables teams to collaborate, automate repetitive tasks, reuse approved content, and track proposal progress from a single centralized platform. Whether you're in sales, pre-sales, proposal management, or security, responsive makes it easier to respond quickly and accurately. In this video, we'll walk through the key features of responsive and show you how they simplify your response process and win more business in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is the project management dashboard. Responsive offers a centralized dashboard to manage all your active and upcoming RFPs. From here, you can track due dates, assign tasks to team members, and monitor the overall progress of your response projects. Each RFP is broken down into smaller sections, making it easy to delegate and keep things moving efficiently. This eliminates the need for email chains and spreadsheets, ensuring deadlines are met and every team member stays aligned on responsibilities and priorities. Another key feature is the answer library. Responsive includes an intelligent, searchable answer library that stores your previous responses to common questions. You can tag content, add metadata, and assign owners to ensure information is always accurate and easy to find. The system even suggests the best responses automatically using machine learning. So, by reusing verified content, teams save hours of writing and reviewing. This feature drastically cuts down response time while improving the consistency and quality of answers. Another key feature is the collaborative workflow tools. The platform enables real time collaboration across departments. Writers, subject matter experts, and reviewers can all work simultaneously, adding comments, suggestions, and approvals within the interface. Notifications and version control ensure nothing falls through cracks. This reduces bottlenecks, enhances communication, and allows multiple team members to contribute efficiently without confusion or delays. Another key feature is the auto response and import tools. Responsive can automatically answer standard questions in RFPs based on historical data from the answer library. You can also import RFPs from Excel, Word, or PDFs, and the software will intelligently extract the relevant sections for response. Automating repetitive answers and imports saves time and removes manual formatting work, freeing up your team to focus on custom, high value responses. Another key feature is the analytics and reporting. Responsive provides in depth analytics on response times, team performance, content usage, and win rates. You can generate custom reports to understand what's working and where to improve. This data helps managers make informed decisions and refine proposal strategies. With measurable insights, teams can improve efficiency over time, track key metrics, and continuously enhance their response processes. So, why is responsive a great choice? Responsive gives proposal teams the tools they need to respond faster, more accurately, and with less stress. The platform centralizes every step of the RFP lifecycle, from intake to final submission, while maintaining visibility across tasks and timelines. Its automation, smart content reuse, and collaborative tools help break down silos between departments, empowering teams to work together more effectively. As proposal volume increases and expectations rise, responsive ensures you're ready to deliver high quality responses at scale. It's especially valuable for growing companies or teams that frequently deal with complex RFPs and questionnaires. With responsive, your proposal operations become faster, more consistent, and much more manageable. So basically, responsive is more than just an RFP tool. It's a complete platform for transforming how your team handles proposals, RFIs, PDQs, and security questionnaires. By automating busy work, centralizing your content, and enabling smarter collaboration, responsive helps you win more deals and meet growing demands without burning out your team. So, if your organizations want to streamline the proposal process and boost win rates in 2025, now is the time to get started with responsive. So, let responsive handle the process so your team can focus on what really matters, which is crafting winning responses. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.